Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got another quick guess what's in the bag video, aka box video from eBay. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is going to be another guess what's in the box video. I think this is the wire harness for the Mavic 8200 NEX stereo. It's long. Definitely to me does feel like a wire harness. This bag is 7 inches wide by 9 3/4 inches long. And the thickest point where the item is 3/4 of an inch wide or deep. What do you guys think it is? It's just a pretty quick video. I got that big box right there that we gotta do a video on. I have a bunch of Toyota parts up here. I got these lines. I got a couple bags with parts with bolts. I got the power steering pulley. I got the bracket painted. I got the reservoir installed. I got this sway bar painted up. I got the rack completely ready to go in and install. These are my old tie rods that I wasn't required to give back to Napa. I got some bushing kits here and a few other items that I'm going to share with you guys on a separate video. So just a quick video. What do you guys think's in the bag? You know, I kind of changed up these videos a little bit. I am at least giving you guys my thoughts of what I think is in the bag. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. When I open it, I have ordered a lot of stuff from eBay for the 2000 limited 4x4, as well as I'm getting parts trickled in for the SR5 that was wrecked, that I'm restoring. You guys let me know down in the comments what you guys think it is. I do appreciate you guys watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do also have an Ulsa Tools link down below that will get you 10% off your order, ulsatools.com. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out with me today. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!